Realme is gearing up to announce its GT7 next week, and the brand shared a few images of its upcoming phone. The device will be available in 3 launch colors: Graphene Ice, blue; Graphene Snow, white; and Graphene Night, black. Realme also shared the phone's thickness, which will measure in at 8.25 millimeters. We previously got confirmation that the GT7 will launch with MediaTek's brand new Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset and a 7200 mAh battery and 100W wired charging. Realme also confirmed a 144Hz BOE screen with an embedded ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and an IP69 rating. Realme GT7 is set to launch on April 23 in China with a sub-CNY $3,410 launch price. The device is expected to get a global version down the line.